Tesla Semi Q1 2022. We all know what Tesla, led by Elon Musk as the CEO, has accomplished. They have revolutionized the whole car industry. In addition, it has also led to the success of the EV industry. And the last year, 2021, has been an excellent year for them. Their numbers were just going higher and higher. This shows a lot of promise for 2022, as we wait to see what they have in store for the fans. However, one thing that has always been a problem with Tesla is their postponing of long-awaited products. Or rather, should we say Musk's overpromising on new products. But why are we saying this? Make sure you watch till the end to find out. Today, we will take you through Tesla's Semi, which is meant to start production in the first quarter of 2022. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. And with that said, let us see what Tesla has to offer. Welcome to TechSpot. "2022 seems like a promising year for Tesla, but with the way they've started postponing production of their products, we can only wait and see. As much as postponing products is one of Tesla's greatest weaknesses, they do know how to surprise their followers and fans. They will always make announcements on new products, also unexpectedly, but in our opinion, as long as Musk stops overpromising, Tesla will stop postponing products. The reason we are talking about postponing is that they've recently announced that they are postponing the production of the long-awaited Cybertruck. We have all heard of the Cybertruck for quite some time now. Tesla has been announcing new features that come with the Cybertruck, but then they keep postponing production. Not so long ago, Tesla announced that they are pushing the production of the Cybertruck to 2023. They claim that it is because they want to add new features to the Cybertruck, apart from the ones that they've already said. Mind you, fans have been waiting for this truck for years now, as it was supposed to be the first most powerful electric pickup truck to be produced. According to Reuters' source, Tesla delayed the truck again to make a compelling product as competition in the segment heats up. And it is true, the Cybertruck has received a lot of competition from the Ford F-150 Lightning, the Rivian R1T, the Hummer EV, and the Nuvo Avalanche Silverado EV. But now this raises some questions and concerns. Who's to say that come 2023, they will not delay the production again to the next year? One of the other delays that Tesla has is the Tesla Semi. They are now planning on changing the trucking industry. The Tesla Semi is an all-electric, battery-powered Class 8 semi-truck that was introduced to the world in November 2017. However, since then, Tesla has not started production of the Tesla Semi, even though companies like PepsiCo are set to receive 15 pre-production trucks. But before we continue further, let us have a look at what the Tesla Semi has to offer. First of all, even before Tesla starts production of the Semi, they have to make sure that they finish building the gigafactories in Texas and Berlin. This is because, according to reports, these two factories are where the production of the Cybertruck and the Semi is said to be done. Production cannot begin without these two gigafactories. They should be a priority before production starts. Giga Berlin is already under construction, and Musk even said that the factory would come together at an impossible seeming speed, since the constructors are using prefabricated construction techniques. The Tesla Semi is said to come with Tesla's own 4680 battery pack. However, something this big would require a huge battery pack. Tesla also promised that the battery pack would give the truck a range of up to 500 miles, which is equivalent to 805 kilometers. And all this on a full charge. Tesla also said that at about 80% charge, the semi-truck should run for about 400 miles or 640 kilometers. The trucks will use mega chargers, which will be charging at 1.5 megawatts. This should charge the rather large battery pack relatively fast. Tesla says that this kind of power will get the battery pack from 0 to 80% in about 30 minutes. Production is said to begin at the end of January 2022, but again, we can only wait and see what happens. PepsiCo is expected to receive 15 pre-production Tesla Semis at their Frito-Lay facility. These are the ones that will be used to test the functionality of the truck. These Tesla Semis will be produced in Giga Nevada using the new 4680 battery cells. In preparation for these trucks, Pepsi is already starting installing several mega chargers at their facility in California. The test trucks were to be delivered to PepsiCo in November 2021, but the delivery was also pushed forward. PepsiCo will have to wait a little longer for the trucks, since Elon Musk seems to be very conservative about releasing the trucks. The trucks are being treated with some extra care and love, as Elon Musk most probably wants the trucks to be perfect. However, some Tesla semi-trucks have been spotted near Giga Nevada, probably under testing. As much as we know that the Tesla Semi is set to be released soon, hopefully, we also don't know much about its production. All we know is that the test trucks are being produced at Giga Nevada, but mass production is set to be at one of the new Gigafactories, either Giga Texas or Giga Berlin. The only other things that we know about the Tesla Semi are the range and the type of battery cells that will be used for its power. We also know that the semis will be tested by PepsiCo as they run their deliveries. During these deliveries, the trucks will be monitored and later upgraded as needed. Once the testing is done, they will then start mass production. They are expected to be delivered to PepsiCo by the end of January 2022, but considering that Tesla tends to change their dates as they want, we cannot be sure about this. All we can do is wait and see whether this time they will deliver. Something else about the Tesla Semi, according to Musk, is that it will come with the Tesla Autopilot software, which will allow the drivers to enjoy semi-autonomous driving. However, this is probably limited to the highways only, as the software is still under development. But at this point, you're probably wondering, how much weight can the Tesla Semi haul? According to Tesla, the Tesla Semi will have a payload that is comparable to that of a regular Class 8 diesel truck. Something that will greatly help Tesla to achieve this is its advancement in battery technology. Most analysts and experts discovered that for the Tesla Semi to produce the stated range of 300 to 500 miles, Tesla would need to ensure that their battery pack could produce a minimum of 600 kilowatt hours, all the way up to 1000 kilowatt hours. To produce 600 kilowatt hours, the battery pack would weigh about 8,000 pounds, or 3,629 kilograms. This would eat into the payload of the Class 8 truck, which has a total weight capacity limit of 80,000 pounds. However, Tesla says that the new 4680 battery pack is lighter compared to the other batteries that were used before. Therefore, it is safe to assume that the Tesla Semi can haul up to 2 tons comfortably. But again, it is just an assumption. Feel free to correct me in the comments section below. Just like the Cybertruck, the Tesla Semi also has a lot of pre-production orders. They are from both large and small companies, as they look to go green. The Tesla Semi will most likely be the #1 choice for most companies. This is because it has a lot to offer, from good looks to fast acceleration. Even the fact that it will require less maintenance means that companies can save more money. Even so, the power is greater than that of a regular diesel truck, meaning that under some circumstances, it can haul more than the diesel truck can. This is a plus for companies because they can deal with greater and larger deliveries at one go. This is the future of trucking, as the whole car industry changes progressively. What do you think of the Tesla Semi? Do you think that Tesla will deliver this truck as they say, or are you expecting another delay from Tesla? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for staying with us to the end. For more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on new videos. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up. This has been TechSpot. Until next time.